Mamang CHAHI ki COHSEM na LOUBA Class 12 ki exam da State amasung District ki MAKOK-MATHANG mathang TAKHRABA Government School ki Maheiroi Shingda Shel ki mana Piduuna Ikai Khumnaba Utpagi Thouram ngasi State ki THAKTA Pangthokkhre Manipur lenga ki Department of Education is na silaga MSF DS के पैलेस ऑडिटोरियम दा पांगथोकपा थौरम अदुदा मणिपुर लेंगा के चीफ सेक्रेटरी प्रशांत कुमार सिंह एजुकेशन एस कमिश्नर एन प्रवीण अमदे डायरेक्टर एनजी भोगेंद्रनाथ थौरम के प्रेसिडियम मेंबर सिंह ओइना सरुक याखे ngasi पांगथोकखिबा थौरम अदुदा पुन्ना Maheiroi Shingda Shel की मना Piduuna Ikai Khumnaba Utpagi मखोई सिंह अदुगी मनुंगदा Maheiroi 13 दे चुराचानपुर कांगपोकपी अमसुंग टेक्नोपोल डिस्ट्रिक्ट तगिने हारिबा Maheiroi सिंह अदुदे वर्चुअल की खुथांगदा सरुक याखिबगा लोइनना मरि लेनबा डेप्यूटी कमिश्नर सिंहना सेल की मना सिंह अदु खुदसिनखे ngasi थौरम अदुदा आर्ट्स साइंस अमसुंग कॉमर्स स्ट्रीम दा स्टेट की थाकता MAKOK-MATHANG TAKHRABA गवर्नमेंट स्कूल की Maheiroi Shingda Shel oina lupa lakh manga lakh mari lakh ahum amasung lupa lakh amage senfam mathang sitna khutsinakhe aduga district ki thaktana ahanba amasung ani shuba TAKHRABA Maheiroi Shingda lupa lishing yankhai amasung lising kunmanga ge senfam sing khutsinaduna pukning thogotke thawam aduga mari leinana chief secretary Prashant Kumar Singh na hai ngasi Shel gi mana fangliba Maheiroi Shingda asi ayambana school fagat hansi mission gi makhada leiba school ayambani Mission asina Maheiroi Shingda ahenba khudong chaba kaya piba ngamle haibase mayek sengna takle ngasi pangthokliba thorom ase Maheiroi Shingge hotna zaman aduda pukning thogatpane Maheiroi Shing pukning thogatpa amasung Ikai Khumnaba Utpagi hauziki matamda tangai fadaba ama oirakle amaromda primary school gi thakta lengak asina tawgadaba Thabak Thouram kaya laitaba natte maruaina chingi area da leiba school singda matik chaba facility amade infrastructure piduna private school singa changdam naba ngamnaba hotnagani masiga iroinana oja matik chana laitaba school sing khangdoktuna madugi chap chaba maram yengani oja laitaba school singdi thingjinba nattana atopa pangbai leiroi Amaromda Maheiroi Shingda School da laktabagi wafam ama leiriba sisu yengsinduna madugi chap chaba thabak paikhatkani haina Chief Secretary Prashant Kumar na makhatana fongdokhi.
It shows that students all over the state are bright. They are just striving to achieve excellence. These are the minds who will tomorrow become our leaders, who will guide all of us, the next generation to come also. The award recipients are our torchbearers of tomorrow who will be lighting the way with our hard work, curiosity and brilliance. I will just mention one small thing which has guided me all along. It is that hard work never goes unrewarded. The more you work, if not tomorrow, if not immediately in the future, there will be a time when your hard work will be rewarded. The students in particular always remember two questions: how and why. Anything being told to you by teachers, you should always question that, whether it is right, how is it, why is it. That will enable your curiosity, your mind to flourish further and achieve brilliance in the future. I will also acknowledge that we still have a long way to go. All of us need to work very hard. The members from the education department present here, the teachers,